Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. Today I am here to teach you English. In our previous lectures, as you know, we have learned the letter E and F. E and F. The sound of letter E is A and F. The sound of letter F is F. Now let's read its vocabulary. E, a, engine. E, a, elephant. E, a, egg. Now letter F. F, F, frog. F, fish. F, fence. And now we are going to conduct the activity of letter E and F. This is our activity. And for the activity, let's move towards our books. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to do the activity of letter E and F. So what we have to do, we have to circle the letter according to the picture. There are some pictures and there are some letters here. What we have to do, we have to circle the letter regarding its picture. As you can see, the first picture is elephant, elephant. And here we have three letters, A, E and B. And what is the related sound of elephant? A, no. E, yes. It's a E, a, elephant. E, a, elephant. So, we will circle the letter E. Just like this. Circle the letter E. E, a, E, a, elephant. Next picture is frog, frog. And what is the starting sound of frog? Here we have three letters, F, D and E. The first letter is F. The sound of letter F is F, frog. It's related to the letter F. So we will circle the letter F like this. F, frog. F, frog. Next picture is flower, flower. So here we have three letters, C, E and F. So the starting sound of flower is F. F, F, flower. F, flower. So we will circle the letter F. Last picture is egg, egg. So here we have three letters, D, E and A. What's its related letter? It's a letter E. E, a, egg. E, a, egg. Circle it like this. E, a, egg. And this is how you will complete the activity. I hope you got it. Do the practice at your home. Enjoy your holidays and take care. Allah Hafiz.